Hi guys, this is a instructional video, a quick tutorial on how to fit your teeth grills. You can get these at our eBay store or on our website. Now, when you get your grills, it's going to come in a luxurious jeweler's box, such as this. This is Best Grill Brands. Alright, now this is what it looks like. It's brass metal plated in gold, and then you have your silicone molding piece, and that looks like plastic, but it's not. It's a silicone molding bar. Okay, and what you want to do is simply use a pair of tweezers. Any old pair will do. You can use this as a tool. Alright, you're going to put in hot water. You want to heat the water up a couple of minutes on the microwave, or you got to grab this little guy first. Let me see here. Something like this. Okay. Could probably do a better job than I can, but what you want to do is you want to put it in hot water. Now this water isn't actually hot, but what you want to do is dunk it in there. It'll turn clear. When it's clear, that means it's ready to put on your teeth. You're going to take it out. Alright, and it'll be real gooey. Now here's one that I've already pre-fitted, okay, to my teeth. As you can see, what you want to do though is, as soon as you take it out of that hot water, you put it on your teeth and let it sit there for a minute or two, just to make sure that it hardens properly. Now when it hardens, it'll be to the shape of your tooth. It looks kind of messy, yeah, but you know what? People don't see that. That's just the back part. What they see is the gleaming gold-plated teeth. That's going to be your grill. That's going to be you. Now, you can get these on our site. You can get these on eBay. Just look for our store, Bling Cartel. Alright, well, appreciate you taking a look at this video. Wish you the best of luck. Any questions, we're always here for you. Thanks a lot, and you have a good one.